And in Collier County, we're hearing, so far in just an hour and a half, 7 feet, the water has risen. We want to go to 4 in Your Corner's Michael Cadigan. He's in Collier County right now with an update. Michael?
Patrick and Amy, Derek is quite right now. The wind gusts are in fact picking up. You can see right now I'm getting blown away by the gusts. And I want you to take a look at the parking lot over here. A couple of downed trees still over there. And also you can notice the Fox 4 Subaru actually right over by that blue emergency light, actually dodging a few tree branches. So hopefully we can remain having some luck. So when Catherine and I last checked in with you guys, that was during the eye of the storm during Hurricane Irma. But right now we want to show you these flagpoles that right now they're still drifting in the gust right now. And that's because they're built to sway and be able to handle not only just the sustained winds, but also the gusts that Hurricane Irma right now is just throwing at Collier County and the emergency services building here. Now, we're also been told just now when they had a coffee break that actually a woman went into labor over at the North Collier shelter. So she right now is being taken to a hospital. And they actually said that according to the last radio transmission that the tech in that vehicle was asking for gloves because he's ready to give birth right then and there. So we'll keep you posted on that story. And that's actually the third straight day here in Collier County that a woman went into labor during Hurricane Irma. So we're wondering maybe if there's a girl, maybe it's going to be a pretty easy choice of a name. But also right now we're also learning as well that there was actually communications that they had to get rebooted up during the eye because that was really the opportunity to make sure that all the communications can be remained intact and really be up to date of any more damage in the area, that the sheriff's office is in touch with the communication center right now. And as you can see, the winds are dying down a little bit, but they keep coming and picking back up pretty regularly. So as Derek mentioned, it's important that you don't be complacent during this storm. Even though, like we said, it's moving more north towards Bonita Beach, don't be complacent. Stay inside. There's time to check for the damage, and that's after the storm. You don't want to risk your life or your friends and family as well by worrying about you. So they still want you guys to be safe inside. Keep in mind about generator safety. And if you have a built-in generator in your home, that should be good to go as long as it's actually built in there and you don't have to worry about carbon monoxide poisoning in that scenario. But if you bought a generator over at Home Depot or Lowe's, that's when you really have to be mindful of turning it on after the storm. So hopefully you have plenty of canned food and water to keep you through it. So right now, reporting in Collier County for Catherine Marsh, I'm Michael Cadigan, Box 4 in your corner.